In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a CPA build account. Let's get started. First thing, head to cpabuild.com. As you can see, here's the website, and you're going to be prompted with the following page. Click on register right here. As you can see, when clicking on register, all you have to do is fill in those information. Now, before I fill on this information, I gotta tell you something very important. Make sure that all of those informations are real and correct. Make sure that you use a very secure password. Make sure that you choose all of the right information. And if you would like to even add stuff like this that are not, really important. So anything that doesn't have a star in it is not that important. So you can't skip Skype ID, skip current network, skip websites. But if you would add them, it will give you a better chance at getting accepted. Make sure to also confirm all of this information, and I will be right back to you. As you can see right here, I've filled all the informations. Make sure to also fill something that's legit here. As you can see, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and stuff like that. And yeah, after doing all of that, all you have to do is click on register, and you will be prompted with this web page. Success, click here to go in. Now, all you have to do is verify your email, verify your phone number, and then you will be approved by administrator. Please double check that you use all the valid informations. With that said, that's it for today's tutorial. Goodbye.